Everyone, in today's video I would like to show a simple trick in C WinForms applications. As you can see, our application is running. Let's close it. Here, even though we have closed our application, it's still running in the background, as you can see. Just stop the application. And how we can fix this issue? It's so simple. Go to the Properties tab. If you cannot see it, tap on the search bar like Properties and it's done. Then go to our application design. Click on the application and select the events part. You can see this lighter. And go to the behavior and after that FormClosing. If you are choosing alphabetic way, find the F letter and it's done. Just click on it twice and type Application.Exit. Let's run again. Firstly, let's log in. As you can see, our application is running, but let's close it. Yeah, the application is normal running in the background. And that was all for today's video. If you want more contents like this one, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. See you soon and stay tuned. This was up.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!